Why aren't more people talking about using Python for data analysis? It's time to jump on this game-changing tool. Alright, first things first. Python is your new best friend for data analysis. It's versatile, beginner-friendly, and most importantly, powerful. Step 1. Install Python and Jupyter Notebook. These are your tools, like a painter's brush and canvas. Check out Anaconda for an easy setup. Next, let's get some data. Download a sample dataset. Think of it as the raw material for your masterpiece. We'll start with CSV files. Now it's time to clean up that data. Use pandas to filter out the junk and organize the gold. Imagine your Marie Kondo, but for spreadsheets. Visualization is key. Matplotlib and Seaborn will help you turn boring stats into stunning visuals. Bar charts, line graphs, scatter plots, your data, your way. Finally, draw some insights. Look for trends, patterns, and anomalies. This is where the magic happens. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep experimenting, keep learning, and soon you'll be a data analysis whiz with Python. Ready to make some data magic? Let's get started. Start with some basic tutorials to get a feel for Python. Write simple scripts to understand the syntax and structure. Explore Python libraries like NumPy and Pandas. NumPy helps with numerical operations, while Pandas is great for data manipulation. Use Matplotlib for basic plotting and Seaborn for more advanced visualizations. Create heat maps to identify patterns and correlations. Present your findings clearly and concisely. Share your insights with your team to drive data-driven decisions. Continue learning advanced techniques to enhance your skills. Tackle more complex projects as you gain confidence. Celebrate your successes and learn from your mistakes. Reflect on your journey and plan your next steps. Mentor others and share your knowledge. Attend workshops and meetups to stay updated and network with peers. Read books and articles to deepen your understanding. Practice coding daily to keep your skills sharp. Experiment with different data sets to broaden your experience. Apply your Python skills to real-world projects. Collaborate with others to learn new perspectives and techniques. Feel confident in your abilities and take on new challenges. Achieve milestones and celebrate your progress. Look forward to the endless opportunities that Python for data analysis offers. Ready to dive in? Let's make some data magic happen.